Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening door number 13 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, which is LEGO set 75340. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box, this is the drop down box which gives you a snowy scene in Endor. We'll start off with a quick recap. So we start off with door number 1, we have the Republic gunship. Door number 2, we have the clone trooper commander. Door number 3, we have the droid tri-fighter. It's a cool little build, this is. Door number 4, we have the accumulator assault ship. That one is quite nice. It's really simple. It's really nice. Door number 5 is the battle droid. Roger, Roger. Door number 6 is the Bad Batch shuttle. That's quite a cool little build. That's not bad, but that is definitely the best one of them. That's definitely the best one. That's nice, but that's the best. Door number 7 is Luke's land speeder. Door number 8 is the T-16 Skyhopper, the one Luke used to womp. Used to shoot womp rats with on Tatooine. Door number 9 is Christmas C-3PO with his Christmas jumper. Oh, that's a nice little figure. Door number 10 is the moisture evaporator. Here we go, it's come apart. Door number 11 is the V-35 land speeder. All these seem to be falling apart in my hands at the moment. That's not good. It does look quite a nice little build. It could also be a ship as well, so that's what you meant to do with Lego. You use your imagination a bit and you get some really cool builds. Door number 12 is the holiday special Darth Vader with his flippers and his holiday top on. We'll put him here. This is quite a cool figure. I do like the body on this. It's really good. The body is a really nice print. So put him here, put him there. That ball is a bit of just a white ball though, which is, I don't know, can't really see why they put that in there, to be honest with you, but it does add a bit of character. It'd been good if it looked like a Death Star, but now back to the main event, which is door number 13, which is up here. Open this door here, and we have what looks like an Imperial it looks like an Imperial sandcastle. We'll open it up first, and you'll see what I mean. It's Darth Vader's sandcastle on the front here, on the front of the box here. that's what it is. So, and it comes with a bucket and spade as well, which is quite a nice little touch. So try and put this together. So first of all, we got two 3x2 light blue plates. We have a green 4x2 angular plate that goes on there. Then we have two cream square flat studs, a cream 2x1 flat with a stud in the middle. That goes on there. Show you that. Then you have a cream 1 brick with 2 studs on each side and 2 3x1 roofing pieces. Which go on the side like so. And then you have a 1x1 flat in cream goes on there. And then you have a little bucket here, which I'm just trying to put together. Since I've got one more cream bit, I'm going to stick that on the side there. Cream square stud. That goes on the side there. You've got a spare handle there. So there we go, you've got a little Imperial sandcastle. And you've got a rather a big spade there for the bucket really, but so basically a bucket and spade and a sand build there. That's quite a nice little build really. Something different. I am quite reasonably happy with that, to be honest with you. I think that's not too bad. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. I am on YouTube and Instagram. Have any comments on this video, do feel free to add them at the end. I'll try to give you mention on my upcoming videos. Right, stay safe, keep building, may the force be with you, and happy holidays. Hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.